Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about how the sessions I took for cybersecurity from PurpleSynapz has helped me. So firstly, in today's digital world, all of our activities are dependent upon networking, literally everything. So it is very important for us to protect our data from getting hacked and also from data breaches. So to protect our data, cybersecurity plays the most vital role, the key role. So using Wireshark tool, we got to know how we can analyze the data and detect the unusual activities that have been happening, and also if there is unusual activity that has been going on in our data. For that we used Wireshark, and after using Wireshark we got more knowledge about how networking works. We saw how packets travel, like how many packets travel every day even through Wi-Fi. So it definitely enhanced our understanding about networking, how it happens and how we can analyze a data packet. So Wireshark is used to check if there's unusual activity by analyzing data packets. So our practical knowledge compared to before has been improved.